Welcome to my channel Gadgets Lab. Earnings disclaimer. Mueller Immersion Blender Handheld 8-speed stainless steel electric hand blender, 3-in-1 emulsion blender handheld with turbo mode, stick blender emulsifier for kitchen for soup, smoothie, puree. No more lumpy chunks, mix, blend, whisk, and froth quickly with our slim yet powerful immersion blender. Includes detachable accessories to make smoothies, whipped cream, even beaten eggs. 3 easy attachments: stick blender with 1. Stainless steel blending shaft to blend shakes, soup, baby food. 2. Frother for foaming all milk types. 3. Whisk for whipping cream or batter. Turbo power. Increase power with turbo mode on this handheld blender with its ergonomic grip and non-slip handle. The blade housing reduces splashes. Simple steps: add an attachment, plug it in, submerge the blade, then blend, and adjust the speed. See included instructions for details. Thanks for watching and subscribe.